Hi, Terry Swejkoski here again with another segment of Q&A pertaining to consciously live what you feel. One of the questions that came in was who would benefit mostly from reading Consciously Live What You Feel? Well, it's an interesting question because Consciously Live What You Feel is a book for anyone seeking to deepen their understanding of themselves and their emotions. Whether you're new to mindfulness or an experienced practitioner, its practical approach makes it accessible while offering profound teachings for spiritual and emotional exploration. This book is particularly relevant for those who feel disconnected, overwhelmed, or stuck in repetitive emotional patterns. It helps readers unravel these experiences, build resilience, and discover their inner strength. It's also an excellent choice for those looking to strengthen their relationships with their partners, friends, family, and even colleagues at work. By fostering emotional awareness and empathy, the book offers to enhance communication and strengthen bonds with others. Until next time, namaste.